Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Sony. And firstly you need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have it. Now let me play some song, and if you press one time at your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So I press on it, just pause it, press again, and I play a song. If you press two times at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, and it works. To play previous track, you need to press three times at your right earbud. 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, it works. Also, if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iPhone, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini and then you will call Gemini. So let me press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. Now, what about the left one? So let me open a Sony Sound Connect application. And right here, as you can see, we have ambient sound control. So if you press one time, you will swap between these modes. And now, as you can see, we just turn off it. So I press on it and I swap to ANC. Then you will swap to transparency mode, and then you will turn off these modes. After that, you will also swap to ANC. Now, this gesture, it was this earbuds used by default, and we can customize it. At the main menu in the application, you need to scroll down and go to device settings. Then click at the system at the top, and right here we have these controls. So click at the settings icon, and right here, as you can see, it used for the left earbud ambient sound control, and you can change it to, let's say, volume control or something else. It's up to you. And now you can increase and lower the volume, and the right one the same. You have it, but I recommend it to leave volume playback control. It's a good one. Now, to save it, you need to click done at the right bottom, and we just change it. And now, if I play a song with my left earbud, I will increase or lower the volume. So let me press on it, and as you can see, I increase the volume. If I press two times, oh no, not two times, sorry. You need to press and hold. So let me press and hold, and as you can see at this widget, I lower the volume with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!